guys, so today I'm going to be doing a K-pop inspired look. I haven't done one of these in so long. What the heck? So today's look is inspired by Red Velvet's new video and especially by Joy. Oh my god, she's literally perfect. Like, she's like the perfect mixture of cute and sexy, something I aspire to be. The first thing I'm going to do is my eyebrows. If you guys hadn't noticed by now, I got my eyebrows done. I know. It's a miracle. My brows, the way that they were done before, they have like an arch to them, so I'm trying to straighten them out more because if you guys have seen my natural eyebrows, they're pretty straight. Eventually we'll get there, but for now I'm gonna try and make them straighter with makeup if that's possible. We're gonna try. I don't know. Let's see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Benefit Brow Zings powder and I'm gonna use that for my brows. Then I'm gonna take some concealer and I'm gonna use that to carve my eyebrows out. Will this work? Let's see. Yeah, I don't know if that did anything, but let's continue. As a primer today, I'm gonna take my Misha BB Boomer cream and I'm just gonna apply that like a little bit, a little pea-sized, and I'm just gonna apply that under my eyes, my forehead, and my nose. So the foundation that I'm using today is the Becca Aqua Luminous foundation. I haven't used this foundation in so long. It used to be my absolute favorite until NARS took over, and like I barely have anything left in the bottle. Like I have to literally slap it on my face. I feel like the girls in this video were more made up than usual, but I feel like it's always like that for like the Velvety songs. The Red songs, they have like more youthful makeup, and then the Velvety songs are like, damn girl. So I'm just gonna build up the coverage of the foundation and I'm gonna blend it all the way up to the hairline. Don't mind this whole situation going on, okay? This is a impromptu video, okay? Like I lay nothing, so don't come for me in the comments, okay? Literally I have a whole fro under here, like a whole fro. Next we're gonna go back into the NARS concealer and I'm gonna do my regular highlighting. Her skin, her whole face is absolutely flawless. So that's what we're going for right now. And I'm just gonna put some on my eyelids because I have to prep them for shadow anyway. Might as well just do it now. And then we're gonna take our trusty Laura Mercier powder, as always, and I'm pretty much gonna use it on my entire face because her face was like super matte and just like absolutely flawless. I've been doing this thing lately where I like stick my tongue out in these sections here when I do powder, and I call it like the blowjob technique. That's the guy that taught me. It helps. I never get to hit those eyelids, girl. Okay, next we're gonna go into blush. I'm gonna take this blush trio from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Berry Adore trio. I'm gonna use the lightest color here as our blush. All the looks in the video were very like blush heavy. Everything was really like pink or peachy. So this is like a peachy pink blush. Duh. So I'm gonna just sweep that all across my cheeks, almost like a contour, because their faces weren't bronzed or contoured, it was just blush. Then I am gonna contour my own face a little bit. So I'm just gonna take this dark shade here from this NYX palette, and I'm just gonna sweep that across my jaw. Gotta get that V-line, you know? Okay, now we're gonna move on to the eyes. You know what palette I'm about to pull out right now, so don't act surprised, okay? Yeah, first I'm gonna be taking my palette, and I'm gonna dip into Peach Cobbler, which is like this perfect peachy, orangey kind of tone for my skin tone. And I'm just gonna sweep that over the lid. And then I'm concentrating it on the outer corner, trying to make it darker there. Then I'm gonna take the opposite side of my brush, which is like a flat brush. This is the Anastasia brush. It's from one of the palettes. I don't remember which one, either Modern Renaissance or Subculture. And I'm gonna take Peaches and Cream, just this one right here, over the lid. So that's gonna brighten the eye. And then we're gonna put glitter on top. It's gonna be so much fun. I just noticed that there's a color in here called Peach Butter. Ew. And then we're gonna take our glitter. You guys know me, I am in love with this glitter here. My sweater keeps falling down. Guys, literally this used to be a whole sweater, like a like a regular sweater, and I sliced it down the middle. I just took some scissors and I was like, I'm joined now. I'm gonna take the heavy metal liner from Urban Decay in Midnight Cowboy. And we're just gonna blend that out with our fingers. I'm gonna take Chocolate Dipped, which is this one right here. There's a dark shade. I'm gonna use it as liner. So I'm gonna take that same color and then just like smoke out this outer corner here. I'm gonna put on some false lashes as well. These lashes here are the Camille lashes from the Sephora House of Lashes collab. Okay, so we're actually almost done. I just have to do the lips pretty much. I might put a little bit of highlighter on. But for the lips, she had this beautiful pink lip on. So I'm going to be taking Candy Venom from Fenty and using that. But first, I want to conceal my lips. So I'm going to take my NARS concealer again. And I'm literally applying it to my lips. Like, nothing fancy or cute going on here. And we're just gonna start in the middle here. Start in the center and then work your way out. Then I'm also gonna take this lipstick from the Trolls collection from the Face Shop. This is Poppy, and the color is Cupcake Pink. I'm gonna apply that in the middle. Oh, I love this lip combo. It's so pretty. So I do think we need a little bit of a glow. So I'm just gonna take my Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dipped, and I'm gonna take Summer. Just apply a little bit to my cheeks and my nose. And that's it. Now I'm just gonna take my Fix Plus to keep it nice and moist. So you know I like to keep it juicy. And that is it, girl. Now you're looking like a K-pop star. I'm so obsessed with this look, like you guys don't understand. You might understand if you follow me on Instagram, because that's all I've been doing on my Instagram. Can I be the 6th member of Red Velvet or no? Like, let me audition. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know in the comments below what you think, and give this a big thumbs up for me. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you so much.